All right, in this video, I want to talk about how to use the Excel equation filter. And I have this small make-believe data set where I have some ID for each person, the neighborhood that they live in, their gender, their marriage status, and their income. And suppose I want to filter this data set so that I'm only looking at the data for people that live in Queens, for example. How would I do that? So I'll go ahead and, first thing I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and copy these labels right here. And then I'm going to write an equation to do that. So I'm just going to write equals, and then I'll type filter. All right, open parentheses. So you can see Excel is starting to tell me what this equation is and how to fill it in. So array is basically where all your data is. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight all my data. So I'm clicking and holding so I have all the data highlighted there. All right, and then include. Include is asking you what you want to include in your filter. So I want this column here, the neighborhood, I want it to equal Queens. All right, so I'll go ahead and put that in quotes since that is a string. Okay, and then if empty just means what do you want Excel to tell you if it's empty. So if it's empty, you can write anything you want. You could say none, for example. Okay, or you can actually just leave that and just delete it. Up to you. So, and then press enter. Okay, and then you can see we've filtered our data set so that now all we have are the people that live in Queens. All right, so I can quickly format this the way I want it to look. I have dollar signs and then less decimals, and I can highlight these and double click in between, and I can see my data nice and clearly. Okay, so I've filtered and I can see which ID numbers correspond to the folks that live in Queens. I can see their gender, their marriage status, and their income pulled from this table here.